All right, inequalities. No one, my experience, no one seems to have enough practice with inequalities. So let's walk through solving this inequality. What is the solution of this inequality here? And this is where we're going to start working. And first steps, a lot of things going on. Keep calm, combine like terms. So what can we combine? We can combine our constants. So in order to do that, we're going to use our inverse operations. So if I have positive 5 and I want to move it over to the other side, of course, my inverse operations. I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides, bringing down my sign. I have -2, and then rewriting the rest of my side. And now here, you can do multiple things. You can go ahead and work out your distributive property if you want, then continue to combine like terms. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, and since I have -2 as a multiplication here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to divide by -2 to get rid of it. We've got to remember, though, there's one thing that we have to do when we divide by -2. We divide by a negative number. When we rewrite this, of course, we know that this cancels out and this cancels out, so that's actually going to be 1. So I have x plus 9. Here's where, when you divide across the sign, got to make sure that we rotate. Since we divided by a negative number, we want to flip our signs. So we have x plus 9 is going to be less than or equal to 1. Okay, and then as we write that, we know then that we have -9, -9, and I know that x is going to be less than or equal to -8. So there you have it. Go back in, you can test it. And there you have it. I went ahead and filled in -8, so -8 is included because there. And so we have x is less than or equal to -8. Oops.